Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Breville Espresso machine that was brought in because a customer described a loud noise while the machine was brewing a shot. And often is the case with this Breville machine, the solenoid valves have gone bad. The loud kind of buzzing sound you hear when you try to pull a shot is the sound of the valve trying to open but unable to do so. Well, we replaced the valve assembly and here it is working once again, so we're going to pull a shot. And you can hear these sounds are of normal operation. Beautiful. Alright, there you have it. Breville working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.